So we are about to tour the Vail on another Taylor Morrison new construction home, about 1.2 million, 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. And let me know in the comments what you like about this home. If you're moving to Denver, relocating to Denver, love new construction homes, leave a comment below. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's take a look at this home. Let me know what you like in the comments. got done touring the Vail in the Decent Collection. These are our move-in ready homes. Some of these homes have price reductions. New construction home, another beauty by Taylor Morrison. If you're a person who loves new construction homes, there's a lot in the market. There's some buyer incentive, there's some buy down rates. And if you're moving to Denver, relocating to Denver anytime soon, leave a comment below. My contact information is below this video. Reach out to me. I'd be glad to show you this home. And before you run away, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm your new construction expert in the Denver metro area. And let's go see some more new construction homes, and I see you soon.